Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as viral diseases. We are going to study this part of biology with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, which of the following is not a viral disease? A. Chickenpox. B. Smallpox. C. Typhoid fever. D. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome. In this question, the correct answer is C. Typhoid fever. Typhoid fever is not a viral disease, rather it is a disease caused by some species of bacteria. So other options such as chickenpox, smallpox, acquired immune deficiency syndrome are different diseases caused by viruses. The next question says, poliomyelitis is a disease caused by dash. A. Bacterium. B. Virus. C. Fungus. D. Protozoan. In this question, the correct answer is B. Virus. Virus causes a disease known as poliomyelitis. So research have shown in the field of virology that poliomyelitis is a disease caused by a virus. The next question says, the full meaning of AIDS is dash. A. Human immunodeficiency virus. B. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome. C. Deoxyribonucleic acid. D. Ribonucleic acid. In this question, the correct answer is B. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome is one of the diseases that is caused by a virus, and the full meaning of AIDS is acquired immune deficiency syndrome. So when someone is talking about AIDS, that person is describing a viral disease known as acquired immune deficiency syndrome, which is one of the fatal diseases transmitted by viruses to human beings. The next question says, which of the following is true about AIDS? A. It is transmitted by virus. B. It is a venereal disease. C. It can be contracted through sharing razor blades. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. Research have shown in virology that AIDS is a viral disease, and this disease is also venereal because it is sexually transmitted from one person to another. So we have said in one of our videos that venereal disease is any disease that is sexually transmitted, and this AIDS is one of the examples of venereal diseases. This AIDS can be contracted through sharing razor blades. That's why it's encouraging that an individual should not share razor blades, because if an AIDS patient use razor blade and cuts his or her nails, and in the process blood comes out from that part of the body, If the razor blade is used by someone that is not affected by AIDS, definitely that individual can contract AIDS through this razor blade. So the use of any sharp object apart from razor blade is not encouraging in the area of sharing with someone having AIDS. So all these things are facts about AIDS. The next question says, the causative agent of measles is dash. A. Bacterium. B. Virus. C. Fungus. D. Protozoan. In this question, the correct answer is B. Virus. Virus is a causative agent of a disease known as measles. Measles is a disease that usually disturbs children. It's one of the viral diseases that affect children. Children are more common, or this disease is more common in children compared to adults. But studies have shown that this disease known as measles can be prevented in children when they are vaccinated very well. So the causative agent of measles is a pathogen known as virus. Scientists did research and discovered that virus is the pathogen that is causing measles in people. The next question says, which of the following is a symptom of measles? A. Cough. B. Rashes on the skin. C. Fever. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many symptoms of this viral disease known as measles in people, and one of the symptoms of measles is a cough. So when an individual is having measles, when a child is having measles, he or she will experience a cough. He or she will cough, and there will be rashes on the skin. The body temperature of that person will change. The body temperature will rise above normal. All these things are different symptoms of measles in people. The next question says, human immunodeficiency virus can convert its ribonucleic acid to dash. A. Hormones. B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. C. Glycerol. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Human immunodeficiency virus, which we call HIV, is a virus that can convert its ribonucleic acid to deoxyribonucleic acid. Research have shown in virology that HIV has RNA as a genetic material, but when it gets into the body system of a human being, it will begin to manipulate the cell of that individual in such a way that it will begin to convert its RNA, or it will begin to synthesize DNA from the host to help itself. So this HIV has the ability of converting its RNA to DNA, and this process, or the process used to achieve this. The next question says, which of the following enzymes is useful to human immunodeficiency virus during reverse transcription? A. Thiolin. B. Lipase. C. Reverse transcriptase. D. Hexokinase. In this question, The correct answer is C. Reverse transcriptase. Reverse transcriptase is an enzyme that is highly useful to human immunodeficiency virus known as HIV during a process known as reverse transcription. This virus called HIV uses this enzyme called reverse transcriptase to carry out what we call reverse transcription. The next question says, which of the following is true about yellow fever? A. The causative agent is a virus. B. It is transmitted by an insect vector. C. It is fatal. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There is another disease called yellow fever. This yellow fever is one of the diseases transmitted by viruses, and research have shown that this disease is transmitted by an insect vector. There is an insect we call female Aedes mosquito. This female Aedes mosquito is the vector of this disease called yellow fever. But the major pathogen responsible for yellow fever is virus. Research have shown that if medical attention is not given to this yellow fever, it is very, very fatal in people. All these things are facts about yellow fever as a viral disease. The next question says, which of the following is a reason why human immunodeficiency virus is an uncompromising infectious agent to conquer medically? A. It kills the helper T cells of human body system. B. It can maintain inactivity for a long time. C. Its antigens change shapes, making it difficult to be detected by body immune system. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many reasons why human immunodeficiency virus is very difficult to control medically. And one of these reasons is that this virus kills the helper T cells in the body system of a human being. Helper T cells are the blood cells or the cells that defend the body against diseases and infections. So this virus has the ability of destroying these helper T cells. Research have shown that this virus can maintain inactivity for a long time. So when it maintains inactivity, it will be very difficult for the body system to work on them the way they work on other pathogens in the body. And this virus can also change its antigens. Its antigen change shapes, making it difficult to be detected by body immune system. All these things are different reasons why this human immunodeficiency virus is still proving stubborn to conquer medically. A lot of scientists are trying their best, virologists are doing their best in order to ensure that this human immunodeficiency virus does not affect human population, does not deal with people seriously. That's why research is a continuous process. Virologists are contributing immensely in the scientific world. So all these things are different reasons why this virus is still very difficult to control medically. The next question says, acquired immune deficiency syndrome is transmitted by a pathogen called dash. A. Virus. B. Bacterium. C. Protozoan. D. Fungus. In this question, the correct answer is A. Virus. This disease, known as acquired immune deficiency syndrome, is transmitted by a pathogen called virus. So it's one of the viral problems in the body system of human beings. The next question says, which of the following is a symptom of acquired immune deficiency syndrome? A. Swollen lymph nodes. B. Fatigue. C. Fever. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. When an individual is affected by acquired immune deficiency syndrome, which we call ACE, this individual will experience swollen lymph nodes. The virus that causes this ACE will manipulate the cells of the lymph nodes in such a way that the lymph nodes will swell. This individual will experience fatigue. The temperature of that person will rise above normal. There are many other symptoms of acquired immune deficiency syndrome. So all these options are various symptoms of acquired immune deficiency syndrome in people. The next question says, the causative agent of chronic hepatitis B is a dash. A. Bacterium. B. Virus. C. Protozoan. D. Fungus. In this question, the correct answer is B. Virus. Virus is the causative agent of chronic hepatitis B in people. Hepatitis is a disease of the liver. Hepatitis means inflammation of the liver, and this disease of the liver, known as hepatitis, can be caused by different factors. But there is a type of hepatitis called hepatitis B, and research have shown in virological studies that the causative agent of chronic hepatitis B is a pathogen known as virus. The next question says, the following are viral diseases except dash. A. Influenza. B. Malaria. C. Dengue fever. D. Rabies. In this question, the correct answer is B. Malaria. Malaria is not a viral disease. Malaria is a disease transmitted by a protozoan called Plasmodium. But other diseases we have here, such as influenza, dengue fever, rabies, they are all viral diseases, except this option B, known as malaria. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. In this channel, we make educational videos in the area of biology for academic empowerment.